Part 2, how to DIY 16 LVE60F lithium iron phosphate batteries here on the channel. Thanks for watching. So as you have seen, and this is the new battery we're working on, the 16 cells and put together to for 48 volt right there at this amp hours. So each cell is this number, okay, all in series. The voltage goes up, the amperage stays the same. That's what I've done over there. It's identical board, everything looks just the same, and the same configuration and the same setup. Because of that, we're gonna be having 2 strings, so 16S2P, that's how you call it in the digital world nowadays, how everybody's talking. For newcomers, probably newcomers can grasp this better than the old school, because the way they're gonna call it is different. But the newcomers, probably they're coming with a new language that is there. It's trending right now. So I went to the store, and this is gonna be a 6mm, and I'm gonna complete this rows here because I ran out of these guys. So these are different ones I have, and I just want to make sure that the positives and the links that connect, the interconnect, okay, for the 8 cells in series, 8 cells in series, that's here, and that's the same nuts I use, are the black ones. But I ran out of those. I have to go back at Ace Hardware and see if I got the right ones. So now I'm gonna right there. So I'll continue with this, and I'm gonna show you what I've done here, and we go from there live on the channel. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, and share the video. Okay, so this is what I'm doing right now, trying to put back all these nuts on the bolts, the battery terminal post. So now we're gonna be having 74 amp hours times 2 strings, okay? And make sure you go to the link on the description below and buy your batteries there from Battery Hookup. That helps out the channel, and that makes give us the opportunity or the chance for us to bring more content like this in the near future. Okay, so that helps a lot. That's the last one. I bought some of them last time. I think I misplaced them. I can't find them. So I like to keep the black ones here for the positive and negative for the drawer. And this is where the interconnect comes, which 8 cells. 8 cells. This is the series of it. See that? And we have 2 remaining, which we're gonna keep. Put it back into the bag here. So it costs only 33 cents for a nut. 33 times 20, about $7 some change. Okay, so that's the only bad thing, but all the bus bars comes with this. All the bus bars, they interconnect. I have them somewhere. So I've saved them for future use. So they send me more. So let's go through this and see. That's one module. We put the cells together to make a module. That's another module right here. And two modules here. Is a 48 volt a 16S LVE60F here at the channel. So the next step we're going to be doing here will be adding the BMS or adding balancers, active balancer, which is a 7 amp active balancer. And I will show you this just now. Hold on. Well, this is the active balancer I have here. This is 48 volts. This is a 16S. So if you count 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So 24 volts here, 24 here, it gives you 48. There's a pin right here, there's a pin right here. So the wiring continues. So we have to hook it up here and there. So even the BMSs, that's where we're gonna connect them. So I just want to let you guys know, I want to show you what is going on here on the channel. Like and subscribe. It might be interesting for other people. Some people don't find it interesting. I understand. So, and if it's not for you, it's not for you. But maybe it's to a higher level for you to understand. Just follow the videos on the playlist. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.